The situation is dire. Almost everywhere is banned from flying conventional and Piedrons in Russia. And the fines are expensive. But I'm going to Turkey the other day and we'll find out how things are going there.
Maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late, maybe I'm just done fighting, it's all too late, it's all too late, all too late.
So, here's the hotel. And right now I want to do an FPV one shot here. Well, since we started with the hotel, let's talk a little bit about it. This hotel is 75 kilometers from the airport, 10 kilometers from side and 400 meters from its own beach. There's an omelette at breakfast, though it's very warming to look at. And so in general is normal, the food is there is a choice, quite tasty. In the hotel, the choice is small, and the food is not very tasty, but on the beach, on the contrary, great choice, delicious food, even fish is available. There are clouds of people here for dinner, no line, and no seats sometimes either. But very tasty and quite a wide selection of food. There are 2 pools. One with slides and the main one with music, bar and so on. This is also where the evening tutsi takes place. Also, the area is quite green. Pussies go everywhere. You can donate money to the cat house. So there's a cat living there, and you can donate money there. But not only that, there's a bunch of cats. And they have absolutely no fear of humans, and there are even little ones. Yes. You can see that the hotel is old and has been in need of restoration for a long time. It's also all in dollars and in euros, which is a real pain for us. For a family vacation, though, okay. Of course, if the prices are normal. Right now I am on the beach, which is owned by the hotel. And it looks like this during the day. And now it looks something like this. Everywhere is empty, the beach is practically empty. So you can fly a drone right now. You just when you go to the beach, don't wear barefoot, or it's uncomfortable to walk around. There is a beautiful lake next to the sea. I want to fly here, too. Only in the morning too, because there are tons of people here in the afternoon and evening. Anyway, there are more ducklings here. I want to scare them so they'll fly up and get a nice shot. Duckies do not give a shit at all on this quadrocopter, and it turned out in parrot that refers to flights can fly if the drone is less than 500 grams and only in the daytime. That's why I did not take my DJ Lighthouse R2s well, and on the crowds do not need to fly. That is the standard list, but be careful and fly carefully. That's it. The contest is over. I'm already at the airport. Get likes, subscribe to the channel. Watch the other videos because they're interesting too. They're also competitive. They're also traveling. Bye.